We're stuck. We're not going to be able to get up the hill because there's too much snow and there's a car accident. Car accident over there. Up there there's a car accident. There's my shit. There's our school. I have to return my board, which means I'm going to have to go up the mountain, while everyone else that didn't rent a board has to stay here. Kinda nervous with all the cars, you know. What a great way to start your Monday morning. But I gotta say, this trip wasn't so bad, after all. Except for today, it kinda sucks. That's alright, I'll get over it.